My name's Adin Kikic, founder of Hydro Wash 360. I came to the United States when I was 10 years old. My family immigrated here from Bosnia, and truly, this is what I would like to call me living my American dream. From the moment that I founded this company, I cut no corners. I did everything the right way. I made sure that I educated myself on the process. I like to take care of my employees. They mean a lot to me. I mean, they're really like my small family. So seeing them excelling and learning the same things that I went through and learned, it really is one of those things that just kind of brings me joy, to be honest with you, because I love what I do. I like to consider ourselves exterior experts because it's one thing to pressure wash the surface, but it's another thing to know that delicate surfaces don't necessarily require pressure. What we use in our process is soft washing. We use chemical soaps, etc., to lift all the grime, mold, algae, and honestly, your house can get cleaned with as little as garden hose pressure. Whether it's a single-wide mobile home or a 15,000 square foot residential home, no job is too big or too small. I want my customers to pull up to their home, their business, and look at it and go, wow, I love to be here. Like, this place looks so great. So, I mean, that's just really the one and only expectation and hope.